Good evening to you all. It's another opportunity for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash successfully. We usually do this every night like this, and it has been helping quite a lot of students to milk the market successfully. Okay, so we'll be looking at another one today, and I must say thank you all for always joining me around this period, okay, in order to analyze the markets together. And thanks for all your results. I went through everything, and I'm really impressed with how far you guys are. Okay, I'm really impressed with the way you guys are actually milking the market successfully. But please and please do this for me. I'll make sure you always withdraw from the trading platform. Okay, I know you want to grow up your trading capital, but at the same time always set something aside for yourself for personal use. That is very, very important. That is the main essence of you investing on this trading platform. Before we go fully into that, okay, before we go fully into what we have for today, we will be analyzing the market together. We'll be checking each of the asset boom, crash, and the likes, and these are some of the things we will be checking out in tonight's video. Okay, we'll be checking the trend, the direction of the market, and what we should pick up whenever we are trading tonight. But before we go fully into that, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online. In case you are just joining us for the first time, feel free to browse through the channel, watch some of my video clips, and make sure you practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before you try them out on your real account. That is very, very important. In short, it is our tradition to practice and perfect our skill first on the demo account before we try it out on the real account. Okay, so if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And also, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so now? Check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also turn on the notification bell to all notification. That way you always be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. And if you have any question at all, probably want to know more about my trading strategies, or maybe you like to know more about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have for today. As we can see, this is coming to you called Qora Digital Cash, and we will be doing the analysis together. I target $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash. Okay, and before we go into the platform to analyze the market, okay, let me quickly say this. This is coming to you called Qora Digital Cash, and the analysis will be based on my technical know-how, and also it's going to be based on the trading tools I'm using, the time frame, and the exact time which this is going out to you. Okay, if you are joining us live and direct, good. If you are not, you might need to consider the chart. If you are saying this later on, you might need to consider the chart before you continue with the with what we have on, with the analysis we'll be doing in this video. So let's go straight to the chart right away. We are starting with boom 1000. I'm using the QDC scraper indicator, and I am on 5-minute time frame. Okay, just the way we have seen it, we can see that the market consolidated around there, trying to break out from this support zone, but was unable to break out successfully. And right here, it started an uptrend immediately. Right here, you can see went up a bit. Like I told you, it will always find difficult to break out successfully from that resistance zone. So most especially if the previous trend was a strong one. Okay, so right here it got up to this level. You can see the series of spikes that happened, and it ended the trend right here. Right here, it ended the trend on this resistance level, and it started a new journey, which is a downtrend, and might be pulling back a bit around the 4 MA candles before going down deeply. Okay, so for boom 1000, it is going to be a sell, guys. It is going to be a sell, the best opportunity for you to sell at the moment. Let's check out boom 500. Okay, for boom 500, we can see the strong downtrend starting from here, guys, starting from here, and it's came down sorry, it came down to this level, went back up again, came down, went back up. So many pullbacks actually happened. This time around it was a major pullback because it got to this support zone, then now went back up to finish up the trend on this support zone. Okay, right now it is on uptrend, even though we got a sell signal selling for a while, but it will definitely spike up any moment from now, so it is going to be on uptrend. Okay, it is going to be a buy for boom 500. So let's check out crash 1000 right away. For crash 1000, we can see it was an uptrend which got to this level and it ended the trend right there. See, came back on downtrend, came back a bit but went back up, and this time around got to this support zone and went back up again, and this time around broke out from the support zone and got to the support zone, and it has gone up. It will try to come down again to end the trend. Okay, it is going to be a sell signal, okay, for a while. Okay, it is going to be a sell for crash 1000. Okay, because it will try to come down. It is yet to end the trend. It will come down, try to break this support zone again. Once it breaks it, it's either it ends it here, or it's going to come down here to end it. Okay, so that is it. So it is going to be a sell. So we're going to be checking crash 500 right away. For crash 500, we can see that it was on a downtrend before, starting from this resistance zone, and there are so many pullbacks in between, but finished the trend on this support zone, and it has started an uptrend. Okay, even though it will find it difficult to break out from this resistance zone, so it is going to be a buy signal. But once it is approaching this resistance level, you should exit the market and wait for it to either break out from this resistance zone or pull back. Okay, so any of the two. Okay, once it pulls back, you can come in again on a buy order and pick up your buy trade again on a buy signal. Come in again on a buy signal and pick up your buy order again till it get to this resistance level. Then you exit the market again to see what will happen. But once it breaks out from this resistance level, then there is going to be a breakout action, so you can buy immediately and check out what will happen once it gets to this resistance level. So it is going to be a buy for crash 500. Okay, it is going to be a buy for crash 500. Okay guys, this is what we have for today. You guys can also check it out and do your analysis to make sure that everything is in line with what you want to do, but especially if you are not getting it live and direct. And if you are new on this platform, you will need to practice and perfect your skill. You will need to learn to trade first before you try this out. And if you must try this, then you should do that on your demo account. For those of you that have been following all through the night, then definitely you should go straight into your real account, check out the chart and follow up with the trade. Let this be a guide for you in order to milk the market successfully, and share your result with me tomorrow morning. I will be happy to do that. So watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.